Well, hello everyone, welcome back guys. Hope you all are doing well. This is Mohammad Badruddija and today we are going to solve lab number 1 from the WebSocket vulnerabilities. And in this lab, we are going to manipulate the WebSocket message to exploit the vulnerability in WebSocket. So before going further, this little disclaimer as always for you. This video and its content are only for educational and awareness purpose and I do not support any unethical or illegal act. That's been said, let's jump to the lab. So manipulating WebSocket messages to exploit the vulnerabilities, and the agenda is this online shop has a live chat feature implemented using WebSockets. Chat messages that you submit are viewed by a support agent in real time. And to solve the lab, we need to manipulate the WebSocket message and we need to trigger an alert pop-up in the support agent's browser. So as I mentioned in the previous lab or previous discussion on the WebSocket, that was actually a high level overview about it. I mentioned that most of the time, if you see or find a live chat APIs or applications, you will find WebSockets there. So that's been said, let's jump to the lab and I'm going to start the burp proxy on my browser. I already open up the burp suite here. So what I'm going to do, let's go and just refresh this page, and once I refresh it, let's go and here we have the request. So these are the HTTP requests. If I go to this /home request, you will find here in the request, is there anything interesting? With that we can be sure that it's using WebSocket. Now here, yes, you can see here sec WebSocket key. Remember in the previous lab I mentioned this header. Also you can see here the upgrade request header is there and its value is WebSocket. That means it is going to establish a WebSocket connection. And also you can see this connection header, its value is keep alive and upgrade header value is WebSocket. So in the response also you can see there is connection response header and its value is upgrade and the upgrade header value is WebSocket. So that means it is going to establish a WebSocket session somewhere. So back to the lab and let's just hit this live chat button, and here we have the live chat. Okay, so if I say hello and send this, so we send hello and there is an agent in the backend who is sending this message. Sometimes I wonder how you are still married, whatever. Let's go back to the burp proxy, and here in the burp proxy, if we go to the WebSocket history, here you can see we find all the connections. So it starts with this to server and you can see it's ready. Then this is to client. To server means client send this to server, and this is to client. User is connected. Now chat with Paul. And again to server, it's ready. Client send the same. Again come to here and we send the message hello. Now to client, this is the message or content, and again to client means from the server end someone is typing and then we found this message, right? So the actual request what we are looking for is this in the JSON format, message is equal to hello, right? So what we can do here, we go to the intercept and make intercept on, and then back to the browser here and let's just say hello again and send this request. Here as you can see we have hello. Let's see if we change something here, okay, it appears or not. Back here, and as you can see from here we type hello, but here we find whatever we change it in the session from the burp request. Okay, so let's see if I say like this, if I type this and send this message, and as you can see this is going to encode it in the HTML. Okay, so forward it, and here we find this, but in the real time it is actually encoding it in the HTML format. So what we can do, we can just type any message, send this, make intercept on, and send one more message, come back here, and here what we are going to write is, let's say, image source is equal to let's say anything X, and then I'm going to say on error is equal to alert, and let's say 11111, close this and forward this message, come back here. Chat has ended, so we need to refresh the session or create the new session. Okay, back here, intercept is off, live chat again. Okay, let's make intercept on, back here, and this time send any message, come back here, change this to image src source is equal to, let's say, X, and on error is equal to alert 111, and enclose this with single quotes. Fine, forward this and make intercept off, back here, chat has end again. Simple thing what we can do, we can write it here, so we don't take much time. Source is equal to, let's say, 1, and on error is equal to alert 1. Okay, copy this, back here, live chat, okay, SSSS, send this again. Oh, sorry, intercept is on, whatever, come back here, paste that message, forward it, and it should appear here, send, forward, and as you can see, now the alert is popped up. So that's it for this video, and you can see we manipulated successfully the message. To solve the lab, you actually need to pop up an alert to the browser. Otherwise, you can alter or manipulate this message as you want. So that's it for this video. If you like the content, please like, subscribe, and share. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.